Hello to everybody, I'm Dani Sordo and today I will try to explain how you can approach an hairpin. For myself, I try to do a little bit more approaching really quickly to the apex in the inside. You brake and going down of the gear at the same time, and just in the middle of the hairpin you take the handbrake, turn the car, and then to go down out of the hairpin as much straight you can, you know. Because when you are sliding in the side, in the exit of the corner, you lose for sure time and you lose traction and all. For me, it's very important to make the car rotated, and then when the car is straight, to go out of the hairpin with the traction and control. It's very easy to stall the engine if you don't take the clutch, because for sure the speed of the car is almost zero at one point. For me, the principal mistake is to slide too much. For sure, sometimes what is nice for the fans is not nice for the chrono. So for the fans, you arrive here, you for one side and then the other side, and slide a lot, and then you continue to slide. This is nice for the fan, like I say, and it's fun for the driver. It's also really fun to make a show. I hope everybody enjoy my explanation, and let's see in some of the hairpins on the rallies.